All right, leaving my house. Let's do some mountain bike laps. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Climb number 1. All right, usually do this track as a warm-up before the steeper stuff. It has a nice little flow. Track number 2, over this log, a little bit on brakes, take it wide, let off the brakes, let off some more brakes, through here, watch this route, over the log, on the brakes, around the stump, around this tree, watch the stump, coming around, let off the brakes, over this log, and around the corner, down, back on the brakes. All right, trail number 3. That was a little spicy. I didn't hit that jump straight. Whoopsie. I really love this part number 2. See why? Ooh, because she's spicy. Lots of roots. Comes through here on the brakes a little bit. Plop over this log. Down here. Through here. All right, let's get up for lap number 4. Climb in, climb in, climb in. All right, cruising over to the second steepest trail in Forest. It doesn't look like a GoPro. I'm shutting my motor off. Don't need motor on the steeps. But this is steep as hell. You can barely walk up this. Everything's super dry right now. So I gotta watch my speed. Especially on like this part. Let off the brakes. Starts to really get steep here. It's so dry that it's hard to brake if you pick up that line. Get this little catch. Now this is janky. Oh. All right, another climb back to the top. I like this one because it's tech. Ooh, little slick. All right, come up here, down, smash, and then up. All right, let's see if I can get this one, get some speed, pop off this, down, up. Oh yeah. And then you come up here, drop a gear, down, up, climb, climb, climb. Oh, bait it. All right, heading into one of the steepest trails in the area. Shut off my motor. Don't need the motor for this. Come down, it's still dry, so I gotta watch it. Damn. There's a tree chicane. Gotta watch your speed, let off the brakes. Come across here. Slow down your speed because it gets steep again. Watch these roots. Watch your speed. Let off the brakes a little bit. Come across here before it drops off. Again. Watch your speed. There's a catch. Boom. Down. All right, last lap of the day. The sky's getting really dark, so I think it's gonna start dumping, which we need. The dirt is so dry. That'll really help the braking and grip, because right now when you brake, everything just kind of crumbles, which isn't that fun. But I am spoiled because I have some of the best dirt in the world in the rainforest here. Gotta watch out here. I am not gonna go fast at all because it is so loose and dry that it's not fun to break away. Right there. Catch brim is still soft. And then around. And then getting a little elevation around that tree. And then ascend it. Let off the brakes. Oh yeah. Alright, heading home. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, baby. Oh yeah.